Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to post an ad in OLX. Please open your OLX app. Okay, once it is opened, down you can see discover, sell and profile. Please click on sell. Okay, now the OLX will ask you permission to access the photo, media files and etc. from your device. Please give the access by clicking on allow. And recording video, taking picture live, please give the access. Okay, now you can see you can click a picture or you can select the items which you want to sell in OLX from your gallery. For example, I'll select these bangles. Okay, you can upload up to more than 5 or 4 photos. Okay, now up to 4 photos you can upload it. Click on upload. Okay, now price your item. Be specific on how much you want to sell that item. For example, I'll give it as 150 rupees and set price. Okay, please select the category of which item you're choosing, you're selling, sorry. If as of now it's a bangle, so I'll be choosing at all other items and post your ad. For example, if your item is a bike, you can choose as vehicle. If your item is some electronic device, you can choose this as electronic device. Now if you want to add more details to your ad, click on add more details. Okay, and please write a small description what is your product is into. My product is into silk bangles. Click on update ad. Okay, now you can click on you have given a small description for your product. Now click back to home. Okay, down you can see an option next to sell as my ad. Click on that. As you can see, this ad is not currently on currently not live, because the OLX backend team will verify the ad and then the ad will come to live. They would take more than not more than 15 minutes. As such, your ad will be live. Okay, see, when the customer click on your ad, this is how your ad will be seen. If you have any queries, please ping us on the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos on this. Thank you.